What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are here at the skate park and my mission is just to try and get better at skateboarding because skateboarding is so freaking hard, but I saw some people yesterday that were like really good and I want to be as good as them. So I'm here training some tricks at one of my local parks. I have a chill flat bar and a chill stage thing with a ledge to practice on. I got some new shoes as well, brand new slip-on Vans. We're gonna break them in, break in the new board, and yeah, have fun. So let's do it. I'm actually gonna wear some pads. I like wearing pads. These go on my elbows. All right, sick. Elbow pads. All right, let's start off with some basics. Wax it up just a little. All right, I think I'm ready. I think I'm pretty warmed up now. Let's try some tricks off of this little stage drop. It's kind of just like a foot drop, but this is gonna be the progression so that I can land tricks downstairs and stuff. Let's do it. That was it. Yeah. There we go. If you guys haven't noticed, the way to get better is just to keep doing the tricks over and over again until they start to feel more comfortable, and eventually they just become effortless and you can do them every time. But it takes the practice and it takes the effort to just keep doing them, even if it's sketchy, even if it sucks, even if you just fail and you land sloppy all the time. If you just keep pushing through it, you will get better and it will get easier. So keep going, don't give up. We got it, y'all. We got it. Oh my gosh. If you guys are ever feeling drained from your skate sesh, bring an apple or bring something to eat with you because you need more than just water to hydrate you. You need like electrolytes and minerals and stuff, fiber. So just bring snacks as well as water. It will just go a long way. It'll keep you energized throughout your skate session so that you can keep going and practice for longer. So Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it for this skate session. I'm super tired. I got fried out here because it is just so hot. But I did get a little better, slowly but surely. That's the way it goes with skateboarding. You just slowly get better after consistent days of practice. So just make sure you guys keep putting in the work. Hopefully this video inspired you, maybe motivate you, go outside and practice and skate, and just show you the reality of how hard skateboarding is and what it takes to actually get good. It just takes a lot of practice, a lot of failures and a lot of okay landings, and then eventually you get the successful consistency land. So just keep at it, keep practicing, you guys got it, and yeah.
I want to get that heel flip low slide line.
Alright, coming?
Yeah, I think I got that.
Hey, but shoot from the homie.
Real. Dude, straight up. Hella real.
I catch it anyways.
So bad. That's real.
Yeah.
Dunks.
Rip up dunks. I can see my pizza toe, man. The purple on purple.
That's fire. I kind of like the switch up.
Yeah. True. I mean, you can't keep it. I'm sorry, but you can skate it. I lost the board.
It's okay, it's okay.